are going to be cutting our curly hair. Yay! I haven't remember when I had last trimmed my hair. Here in the Philippines, I find it difficult to look for a salon that specializes curly hair. So what I did is research a lot of curly hair gurus in the internet, and they suggested this method in cutting curly hair. So here we go. So the first step in cutting our hair is to wet it with water. As usual, we are going to pre-poo because, you know, we're curly girls. So I am just using this virgin coconut oil. Just rub it in my scalp and distribute the product evenly onto my hair. Make sure that all the strands are covered. My hair if it's wet. And I wanted to trim up like this. How many inches? 1, 2, 3, 3 inches. I'm kind of nervous, but I've seen the results of the other YouTubers and I found it okay. Not really perfect, but it works. And what I have here is scissor. White tooth comb, brush, this one, and we made also a hair tie. So this method will create almost a V shape and it has layers on it. So that's what I like. Let's try it. you want to add another layer, you can do this technique. Right after shower, you can go ahead and use a curl cream or custard cream or gel or mousse. And in my case, I am using this LA Lux styling gel. This is Stronghold. Just spread evenly using a praying method and scrunch. So make sure all your hair is covered with this gel. And then do the plop. In my case, I am just using this old t-shirt that I have. You just fold the upper part and the bottom part and gather all your hair, wrap it secure tightly, but not so much tight that you might have a headache after. Just moderate tight. And so I have been plopping for around 10 to 20 minutes. Take off my plop. So yay! I have my layers already. My hair is around 60% dry. I will let this dry for another 20 minutes. Air dry, just let it sit there, and then I will get back to you argan oil to scrunch the crunch, and we'll see what's the final result of my hair. So previously it was right about here, and now that it's almost dry, it's now here. Maybe later it will be here. Oh my gosh, but I badly needed a trim. I don't like the ends already of my hair because it's already dry and it's not turning up the way it's supposed to be. So yeah, whatever it is, whatever is the result, I will be proud and happy with myself. Hey tribes, now my hair is like 99% dry. Here's how I'm going to apply this.
Sayang na.
Kita, di mabasa.
Di mabasa.
Okay, so I'm loving this part over here. It's so curly, it's so healthy. And then for the front part, yeah, there is this layer. like it's afternoon and look at these two different types of curly hair. How on earth do I have this curl and at the same time I have this? Yes, so that is up YT tribe. That is, I hope that you enjoy this video, and if you did enjoy this video, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell so that you will get updates every time I post. I hope that I will see you guys in the next video. Bye tribe, I love you guys so much. Take care, keep safe, stay healthy, wash those hands, and drink your vitamin C. Love you, bye bye.